All right, guys, welcome back. We're finally getting the 51 out. We've got an event later today that we promised we'd bring this thing to. It's the Power and Sound Music Festival pre-party. As you can see, it still doesn't have the outer tools on it. It still has a couch on the back. It still has drywall on it. So we've got to get this thing out. I've been moving it around. It runs like total crap right now. I think the E85 is full of water, which I'll fire it up here in a minute. You can see exactly how unhappy it is. So I think we need to drain all the fuel out of it. We got to unload it. We got to put fresh E85 in. But we're finally going to make this thing drivable again. And then, because I don't really trust it to drive that far, we're actually going to put it on the car trailer behind the Ford and haul it over there. Which, I mean, it'll look pretty badass. And the starter still doesn't work all the time, so that's still fun. Okay, it did run.
Yeah. What's going on?
I don't know. It's not even like hitting.
Do you think it's like out of fuel? Huh. What the heck?
I mean, it's got 24-ish, 25 pounds. No, the other sensor died, and then I stole this one off the Ford. And now I don't have any more to steal. So I don't know if it's a bad sensor or not. It seems like it is actually a good sensor, because it's running like crap. Now, why am I only making 20-some pounds? We clogged the filter again? Like
Maybe.
Focus? Alright, I guess I'll go underneath and I'll pull that filter. Because that is what happened to us at the ruckus, is we clogged the pre-filter. Alright, let's try that, see what happens. Pre-filter will look brand new. The filter after is the one we've never touched. That would look pretty bad. Let's see if this helps. The key will work one of these times. Good since we've had it down here. That little pre-filter was just shot. Yeah, this is all it was. It kind of just looks like a little quarter, but you can see it's all kind of bubbled up from being full. So that E85 is just nasty on fuel filter. That's the happiest it's been. Now we can unload and go have some fun. Let's give this thing a little bit of a shakedown, since we really haven't done anything with it. I mean, we're just gonna haul it out for a show tonight with the Ford, but I still kind of want to give it a little bit of a shakedown. I do have an issue where my clutch rod falls off my clutch pedal, so that might happen. Well, we'll find out. Ooh, it's been a while.
you want to push your luck right now.
I think we'll shut her down for right now. She's pretty happy though. Ooh, I love this damn thing. Holy crap. She's at 204. She's not even hot. Man, that was beating on it too. That was, oh God, this thing's awesome. God, I love this truck.
Bad news travels like wildfire. Good news travels slow. They all call me wildfire. Everybody knows, hell, I'm bad news.
All right, guys, cruised this thing out to the Power and Sound pre-party last night, which that was awesome. If you like good music and cool cars, you've got to come to the Power and Sound revival. It's May 17th and 18th in North Carolina, and we'll have all this stuff there again. But this thing, let's talk about how this whole thing did. So it was like 3 hours round trip. It's like 160 miles total. And we'll start with the Hemi. Flawless. Absolutely flawless. Pulled this whole rig at 75 mile an hour, uphill, downhill, didn't care. Flawless. I'm blown away. I really am. That Hemi has impressed the crap out of me lately as I've been driving it. Fuel mileage? 5.5 on E85. Not great. Not great. Chassis? It's not the most comfortable with this short of wheelbase. Towing probably 7,000 or 8,000 pounds. But once I kind of settled in, like I said, we were cruising 75. No issues. Now, the big issue that we did have, and it's the one I never expected, is the transmission. So when I rebuilt this thing, I threw in like the cheapest rebuild kit. Not even gonna say where I got it. Don't buy it. Third gear's already grinding, and it's not me. Everything I own is stick shift, and I don't blow synchros. Third gear's already gone, which NV4500s are known for, but it should not have gone that quick. And won't even stay in fourth gear on decel. Anytime it's on decel, it pops out of gear. I gotta hold it in gear. So that was not good. She was whining real bad at the end, like she was straight cut gears. To be fair, it might need oil. It does leak. Haven't checked it in a while, so that might be my problem. But that cheap rebuild kit, no bueno, no bueno. And then broke a motor mount. So the engine kind of tipped down and my rear drive shaft angle is all kind of wonky. So when I pull out in first and second, felt like the drive shaft was going to blow out. So I threw it in four-wheel drive to reduce the torque in the rear, and that seemed to work. But she's a little hurt right now. And it's kind of sad because, I mean, that Hemi just ripped it everywhere. I wasn't expecting trans problems. This thing's been kind of killing motor mounts. So I've got a spare one sitting around. I'll have to figure it out, but this rendition of this truck is not going to last that much longer because that thing's sitting down there, and that thing will out-tow this Hemi no matter what I do. So, yeah, I'm blown away. This thing tows pretty damn good. If I get that trans sorted out, it should be a damn good tow rig. But, hell yeah, 51's back. Ford's hurt, but it proved itself. Looked badass going down the road.